welcome back to my channel. My name is Johanna, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for all my new subscribers, but also to those who've been following me on my journey from day one. I truly appreciate you. I know your time is valuable, and I really am thankful that you are spending it with me. Here on my channel, I do planner and planner-related videos, as well as new release of things that I will be listing to my Etsy shop. So if that is something that you are interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel, and you'll always be notified if you hit that little notification bell. All right, so we're going to actually finish up the cash envelopes for the last week of March. And so we're going to be putting that here. Now, if you were watching me last week, I did not actually add anything to, I didn't have any money to add to this week, because when I was doing my calculation, I just assumed I'd fund this last week of March with my last paycheck in March, but I figured I still had enough money from the week before that I could just use that, since I wouldn't have been in the office very much this past week, and it worked out okay. So let's just move this. Had $1 to the side because I was using it for some measurements for some new cash envelopes for my shop, but this is the remaining cash that I have, and I don't know if you can see this, but let's just mark down what we spent. So for personal, actually on Tuesday the 26th, I ran some errands with my dad, and we actually picked up some breakfast that morning. I hadn't planned on leaving the house, so that's why I just assumed this past week that finished that I'd actually still have funds, and then just some things came up, and this is wrong. So I actually spent all 21, and that's what I had in it. So I actually have 0 left in this pool. And then for eating out personal, I only had $3 there. I did attend a conference Thursday and Friday of this week. Check out my Instagram page because I showed the facilities. We were at a local Christian center that they had a ballroom and some meeting areas, so we were able to go there. It's not a Christian activity that I was at, it was just, that's the facility that our organization rented out. And then for office, I had $4 in that bucket, and I actually have $4 left. So that was 0, and that's 4. And then for eating out work, that was $3 in it. I spent it all, and so I have $0 left. And I think the reason why I know the reason the math isn't working is because for this personal, I only spent $16. Actually, it was 15 and change, but I'm already taking out the $5 for the $5 challenge. So the cash that I actually have left over is $4. And so let's do our expense tracker. So we started out with 31. And this is where the math should be explained. And instead of trying to do this by date, which I got jammed up last week with, I'm just gonna do it by card. So on the 26th, went to McD's, and that was, see, I never look at what the thing is, and I get it wrong. I mean, it doesn't matter, but you know, I'd like to be a little consistent. I guess I consistently do it wrong, so I guess that's okay. So personal, and as usual that was cash. And then $5 challenge. And that's nothing, that's $5. And that was from the personal category. And then eating out, personal. At the conference, they had a little cafe, and I picked up a drink both days. So I will find a way to spend money. Because I truly believed last weekend when I was doing the cash envelope for this week that I'd have all $31. Yeah, that didn't happen. So coffee, and that was the conference, and that was $3. Eating, personal, and then that was the 19th. Oh no, this is at 4, so we're not writing anything down from here. And then this one was Friday, and I picked up a coffee from that same little cafe. It's a super nice facility. I didn't take a picture of the pool, but so pretty. It was so pretty. Eating, and that was work, and all of that was cash. Last week I ran into problems with my math. Well, no, the math was fine. It's just it didn't add up the way that my cash came out. Never did find that dollar, but that's okay. So $3.25 through $3.31. And how do I clear the M? Pretty sure that M's not supposed to be there. Oh well, whatever. So 16 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 equals 27. Is that right? Yeah, 31 from 27. 31 minus 27 is 4. That is correct. Hooray! So let's highlight the $5 challenge. And I'm definitely going to carry this method forward just because I like how it looks. And it does help me with my seeing where my money's going. It's not really helping me not spend it in those things, but it is helping me seeing it. So this will go with my $5 challenge funds, and when I look in there, when I do my recap, that should be $20 just based on these lines here. This will go with the $60 that I did not add in to, I'm all over the place. So for week 3, I had $80 earmarked, but I didn't use it. I only used $20 of the 80, and the other 60 I am putting towards savings. So at the end of this month, just for my cash envelopes, I have $64, because again, I'm counting the $5 challenge as something else. But yeah, that's this video for today. We closed out the week, or the month of March, with week 4. I think it went rather well. There was a little bit of a learning curve in the beginning, but I think I'm at a good pace. And as always, guys, aloha.